Christmas to you. Here we go. It's time to work out. Good morning. Are you ready to work on this tempo? It's very, very exciting. Seriously, I'm not lying. I love working out because it's life and it's a special gift that God has given us, although sometimes we ignore it. So remember, we are working on our legs. Please remember to send me a feedback. I want to hear from you. So we are still working on the legs, and I'm going to do my first set, which is not hard. You know, it's really, really good. Okay, here we go. Whew. See? Put your legs down, your hands up. I try to be quick. Oh, you can. You can do that if you want, or this one. Make sure you put your leg at the back and your hands up. You will notice that your heart will be going up. Your heart rate will be up. It's a real cardio, and it also works on the legs. Okay, let me do another one. Wow, it's a real cardio. My heart rate is up, which is really good. So I'm going to do another one that we normally do in Nina's class. It's really very good. All you do is to move your hands and your legs first. If you want, you can go one side to another.